In between these two screws here, there's a screw at every one of them. I never took it off. The two of those.
Whistle.
Okay, she's going to be completely loose. Right here.
All right, guys. Bronze, we're ready to take off the dropper down, but we need a couple guys at the end.
Just take a bar at the end there, and then we'll pop it loose. Take your bar and we're going to do it. My hand's off. I'm ready.
George, go on the center there, Ron.
You want to go back a little bit?
We're going to have to drop her almost where it is, so just pull your corner out there, Bob. Okay?
Bob, pull your corner out, he says.
Pull it right out now. Let the jack take it all.
Do you need help over there with that weight? No. Ron is here, he can help you.
Okay, drop it down, man.
Going down here. Catch up to me, Lloyd. I'm ahead of you.
You got to get the pry bar in there and just pop her loose, Bob. Oh, you got it. Okay. We basically want to drop it right there, guys. We might have to pull that red jack back too. Yeah. Anyways, we'll pull it back.
Watch that air tank underneath you. Right underneath you, Lloyd. Doesn't get hung up on there.
Don't put your finger right there.
No.
Put your finger to the side.
Well, drop her down a little bit and see. We're gonna have to pull that jack back.
That's good.
Okay.
Coming down on there.
Pull out a little bit, get that bolt in. Okay. Okay? Yeah, we're doing good.
Go ahead, Lloyd.
Make sure your jack doesn't hang up on the wood.
down.
Okay, we're going down more. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
we want to kind of swing it on his back now, yeah.
Don't just sit back.
Yeah, like that. Okay, we're gonna kind of, can we tip it? Tip it so, just like that, Bob. You'll have to.
Can you
it
tip
down.
yours? Pull your thing over there.
Hold it so it's on its
Why
back.
is that hung up on the air tank there?
Yeah, pop it off the air tank.
Yeah, just grab hold of that metal there, Ron. Yes, right there. Now pull towards you. Pull. That's it. Yes, that's it. Okay, here we go down.
Just put, we just want
Okay,
it
now,
flat.
is that going to be,
You know what? I'm stuck.
we need,
No, go on.
No?
hold it a minute, we need to build this up, it looks like it's right on that,
Let's try and drag it down here.
left-hand fork there. Yeah, we need to build up.
Okay, I'm okay now. I got pencil.
We can move it later, Bob. Just want to get her down off the jack. Yeah, that's what she's pretty more spaghetti.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
Is that it all the way, Bob?
You want to go more yet?
Well, we gotta get it down.
Let's catch up a little bit.
Okay.
But look at how the chain is pulling here. You know, we're
We'll have to probably roll in. Okay. Perfect. Gotta get the jack.
hey, there's nothing bolt there, Ron, over here. See, there's nothing bolt on that one. More weight there than you think, doesn't it? It looks like it's
You got a choice.
I'm gonna go that way with the jack because I got too much stuff here. So what, get your big bar over there, see if you can give me a little bit of leeway here.
left her here.
Ron, can you come here and help me?
Okay, now let's,
Jack from outside. The door, yeah, the rail. just pull her. We're gonna get it come along down.
Yeah. We just hook it to a truck.
Yeah, well, I just want to get it past, just to
Yeah.
here, so we can push her in a little bit more.
Yeah.
We can go in and out, no problem. Oh, that's victory.
Yeah. March 30th, 2006, the west side plate is now off, so we now have a very naked car. And
They don't let the kids have the torches. Well, there is.